Hi, I'm Dalia Flicki. I'm in 12th grade and I go to Posnack. I was studying for a really long time, and when I took my first test, I got a 1210, and when I took my second one, I went down and I got a 1200, and I realized that I wasn't improving and I really needed to improve. I was like really stressed out that I wouldn't get into like the colleges that I want to, especially in Florida since it's not test optional, and I really wanted to improve my score to at least get bright futures. Yeah, well, I was with another tutoring service, and I felt like I was mainly focusing on reading and I wasn't improving anywhere in reading. And I'm fairly strong with the math already, so my thinking was I'll improve my math score and just leave my reading score, and then hopefully just get to the score that I could, like the highest score I could get. Well, the reading was my biggest frustration, but I felt like I wasn't improving, so I had to improve somewhere else, and I wasn't doing enough with math. So I thought I'll improve with my math, and my biggest frustration was that I wasn't improving. I just kept staying at the score that I was at. I definitely thought that the virtual learning experience would be a lot more crowded, but it wasn't. I thought that it was pretty personalized and the groups were pretty small. I thought that I wouldn't be able to ask my question and I'll be like too embarrassed, but it wasn't. I'd say that the service as a whole is definitely a lot of work, and that if you're going to go into it, that you have to know the amount of work that it is and that you have to be dedicated. That like you won't get the score you want to get unless you put all of your efforts into it, and that like there's ups and downs, but in the end, like you will improve. In the end, I got a 720 on math and I improved 100 points, and in total I got a 1390 on the SAT. Well, now I'm sending it to all the colleges that I'm applying to, thank God, and I'm definitely a lot less stressed. Like now I can definitely focus on the application process and not the SAT. You definitely have to put in like the work, and you have to realize that it is going to be a lot of work, and that if you want to improve, then you have to like try your hardest, and that it's going to be hard, but like just stick with it and you'll be okay.